Fix your broken daily stand up in next 2 minutes. You want to conduct an interactive stand up? Let's go. Is is your daily stand up turning out to be a status meeting? Are those broken, boring, and you want to fix it? If your answer is yes, then stay with me for next 2 minutes. Here are those three magical questions. What did I do yesterday? What will I do today? And what's blocking me? Every member should answer this on a round robin fashion in a daily stand up, but this does not go as designed, and daily stand up turns out to be a status meeting. This is everyday's problem. Ever thought of fixing it? Let's give a try. Here is the continuous feedback loop or process of Agile. What does that say? It says shorter feedback loop. We should plan a long-term vision based on our near-term focus. And daily stand-up fits exactly there. And daily stand-up is designed to take the shorter feedbacks. Every 24 hours, team will meet and discuss the status. What is the purpose of having daily stand up in more detail? Identify the blockers early in the game, highlight it before it gets too late, promote the accountability. Like Agile says, if someone commits the goal in a public, then it adds more accountability. Adapt quickly. If something is changing your priority, you need to adjust those priorities based on the change. And obviously the synchronize the team, that every 24 hours you meet for 15 minutes or less, and that will synchronize the entire team. Now this is the problem. How can you fix it? Here are the ways. Stand up must end before 15 minutes. If your stand up is running over, you must be doing something wrong. Speak to the point. Do not deviate. Do not discuss solutions. Do not discuss anything which is deviating from your agenda. Stand up is to raise the problems, not to discuss the solution. Highlight those problems which needs the attention. Do not highlight something which you can solve it by yourself. Summarize at the end. Ask the coordinator or a host to summarize the discussion what we discussed, and this should also end before 15 minutes. Assign an action owner. If you have identified something in the stand up, assign an owner in the same stand up. This will improve your productivity. How can you make it more interesting? Like add to the next level. Start with the motivation or a joke that will ease that will lighten the environment. Rotate the host. Every time you meet, ask someone to host newly. Do not repeat the same host again and again. Stop if someone given status. Do not deviate from the stand-up agenda. If somebody is doing that, you should stop him or her. Use walls like a static radiator or distributed agile boards, whichever is used in the project. Use those for a more interactive interaction. Time box ruthlessly. If somebody is going over the time, just stop him. These are the few ideas where you can make these stand-ups more interactive and interesting, which is a part of your day-to-day life. You liked my idea? Do not forget to like and subscribe. Happy learning!